Recover lost season. Recover lost opportunity. Recover lost season. Recover lost opportunity. Your health is restored. Your health is restored. Receive the breath of life. Receive the breath of life by the Spirit of life. Receive the breath of life. That cancer is over. Receive the breath of life by the Spirit of life. Receive your healing now by the Spirit of life. Receive the breath of life by the same Spirit that raised Jesus. He is raising your dying body. Your body will not die. Romans 8:11, the Passion Translation. He will raise your dying body. He said, I should tell her, I am raising your dying body. That body that is dying, the Lord is raising it up by the same Spirit that breathes life. That breathes life. The Spirit of God breathes life. Breathes life into your body. The Spirit of God breathes life into your body. The Spirit of God breathes life into your body. Your organs, your kidneys, dying kidneys, come back to life. Dying kidneys, come back to life. Dying lungs, come back to life. Cancer, die out. Cancer cells, die out of the body. Die out of the body. Die out of the blood. Die out of the bone. Die out of the brain. Cancer cells, I curse you in the name of Jesus. The Spirit of life, breathe life into your body. Into your body. Tumors disappear. Growth disappear. Strange bleeding disappear. Strange bleeding disappear. Urinary incontinence disappear. Every disease of the bone disappear. They gave you few days to live. They gave you 3 months to live. They gave your brother a time to live. But I came to announce to you the breath of life enter your brother. You will live. You will not die. You will live. You will not die. As you are hearing me, your recovery begins. 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 As I speak, your recovery begins.